everyone, as you can see, we're going to use these plastic cups and make beautiful craft out of it. So cut the edges and make the flower shape and paste all of them together, and then put a fairy light or bulb inside and your hanging is ready. Blow a balloon, then we're going to put the thread inside this glue bottle. Now we're going to apply some more glue around the balloon and then roll the thread around the balloon. Pop out the balloon and look, your ball is ready. After this, we're going to put some fairy light inside it and look, your hanging lamp is ready. Let's make this beautiful stand using bamboo sticks. It is very easy to make. Take a bunch of bamboo sticks and tie it using this rubber band. Take help of this bottle cap and give it shape. Now paste it using glue. Remove the bottle and look, your stand is ready. You can put some fruits inside it. So we are going to paste double-sided tape and then paste this red color of thread on the top of it and make this cross sign. Now we are going to fold it again and then tie a knot. Here we are going to repeat the same process 2 times. Look like this and pull it from all its corners and look, it is ready. Let's make this paper container. As you can see, we're going to put different items inside. Now take this old paper or newspaper and fold it from the diagonals. Now fold it again, flip it and then fold it from the corners. Now we're going to fold it and make the container. After this, divide it using your fingers and make these small compartments, and look, your container is ready. From the bottom as well, we're going to press it and it's done. So we're going to cut this red foam net and make the flower petals. Cut it and paste it using double-sided tape. We're going to use 2 different colors, red and green. Cut the bottle into half and paste the green and red together and make this lotus flower shape. We're going to put the frill at the bottom and then put this fairy light, and look, your hanging lotus lamp is ready. We're going to fold this red craft paper and paste a flower. Now make 10 such pieces and paste it on the strip of paper using double-sided tape. Now we're going to cover it around the bottle and then you can also put a frill and hanging, and look, your lamp is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.